Anthony's telling me that his violin's like you can throw his violin.
Can I have it?
I put mine there.
It bumps into the wall.
I don't know how much space is up there though.
No, the only thing I'd be worried about is if it goes that way.
Cup holder.
They're probably not gonna turn it on.
Storage. Oh, power outlet.
No way.
Fashion the seatbelt somehow. And then AC. And lights. Oh, ambient lighting.
Good morning! Good morning!
Bathroom is in the back and it's not available to you. If you have seatbelts, you must wear your seatbelts in your body, top of your shoulder, across your body, into the clip. To undo it,
Thank you.
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh,
The sign is so cool.
do you want to do that?
Bro, these are my urinals.
Viola there. Sorry, your viola.
Bro, yeah, do it. Look.
My brother takes the hair.
Wonderful parent volunteers that are helping us out here with snacks. Everybody gets a snack. You are not going to litter, and you are going to...
It's out, so we're gonna go to the warm-up room and prepare for the festival.
Secondly, orchestra, you did great.
Violin, because like you can't blow harder. So how do you?
You go closer to the bridge, put more weight, and then faster bows.
I sent that.
Okay, first things first, a little bit of housekeeping because, like you, Forum Festivals is a guest here. Patterson.
Good job.
How about a round of applause for our adjudicators? We're assessing your ensembles on a 5-degree national standard. So were you to receive a merit award, that would represent 50% and below in your category. Copper represents the upper 40 percentile, bronze top 30. Silver rating recognizes the top 20 percentile, and the elite top 10% is recognized by a gold rating. So without further ado, Forum Festivals would like to recognize you for all of your hard work in preparing your ensembles. If I call the name of your ensemble, if I could get a student representative to join us on stage for the duration of the ceremony. All of that said, please welcome to the stage a representative from the Carmel Valley Middle School Bobcat Band to take up their silver rating. Congratulations. Silver rating Bobcat. And we always applaud for this. Over here, bro. All right, moving right along. Let's just go in performance order, sure. Carmel Valley Middle School Orchestra, yes? Good job. Alex Patterson, director, gold rating. And finally, rounding out this afternoon's performances, please welcome to the stage the representative of Carmel Valley Symphonic and Wind Ensemble to pick up their gold rating. Not only were our adjudicators assessing their ensembles, they were also on the lookout for individuals that are worthy of recognition. If I call your name, come on down and be recognized for all of your hard work, for outstanding musicianship. Please welcome to the stage from Carmel Valley's Bobcat Band, first clarinetist Ethan Chang. Please welcome to the stage Anthony Kim. Congratulations, Anthony. We'd like to welcome to the stage Flowers Jennifer Wayne and Sarah Hudson.
Oh my goodness. You got gold.
That was so good.
So good. Good job, everyone. Good job.
Can I be a part of the YouTube video? What about me? We got gold! We got gold!
Good job, guys.
Yes! We got gold!
On my hand. I hit it 3 times. That's what we're gonna do to you. That's what we're gonna do to you.